Hey, can I just thank you guys so much for all the positive comments that you've been leaving. I feel like we have zero negativity over here, and it's amazing. It's a blessing, like, to have such a positive comment section, like, it's crazy. I just wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you guys always commenting, showing love, giving constructive criticism, whatever it is. It's all positive, you know what I'm saying?
I pull up to my town with a price on my head. I pull up to my town, I'm out.
Show them how to do it. 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 Show them. Bust down, Tatiana. I want to see you bust down. Can I get like a good intro, Chloe? Can you hook it up? Ladies and gentlemen, it's your host with the most, Chloe, coming in at 10 pounds. That's what she's coming in at. Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy ASneakerLife, back for the one dime. Yo, I got this shoe, right? I don't know how I feel, right? So, picked it up from my homie Fine Line. Huge thank you for the assist. I thought this was a shoe that was going to guaranteed sell out, man. And honestly, I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Shout out to you guys that have been joining the mailing list and getting notified. If you are part of the mailing list, make sure to drop a comment down below just so I can show some love to you. But yeah, man, this shoe was one that I thought was gonna sell out, and I just hit up Fine Line because I'm like, I'm not trying to deal with any L's, and I'm trying to have a peaceful weekend. You know, we don't need any rage over here. So let's just crack it open and kind of get into it, because I think there's a lot that goes into this shoe. And from the day I saw it, I actually saw it first on my boy, or my homie Shoe Hefner. He posted the shoe, and I'm like, bruh, I need those. Whoa, the gym ain't helping me right now. Can't even rip open some tape. Sheesh, Fine Line, bruh. Okay, my shoes are secured. Now, Air Max Day, you know, I think, the past week we just had all these Air Maxes release. Now, damn, this is a cool box. That's what's up. So Air Max 98 AOGS, which, what does that stand for? Girl size or something? Either way, let's get into these, man. I hope when you wear these sneakers, it feels like you have a little piece of New York with you. And remember to walk with love in your heart for all people. What a message. You gotta love it. What a message. I know you guys see that crispy lens. Woof. All right, man, I'm gonna quit playing. I have not seen these in person yet. I've just seen pictures. Heartbeat. Dude, look at these. Oh man, so perfect for the spring, summer. These are super crispy. I cannot believe they did not sell out. I'm very, very shocked. What a dope shoe. Like, this is honestly like on some Dornbecker. I really am just shocked that these didn't sell out. You can pick them up on the Nike app, sneakers app, for $200. I just saw before I started recording this video. But what I really love about these shoes is actually what is into it, you know, like what goes into the shoe. One thing she talked about, obviously she's from New York, so she wanted it to represent her hometown. And it really does. It comes down to even the green laces. What they represent is actually the Statue of Liberty. There's also a pair of blue laces, or I guess I shouldn't say blue laces, but they're different colors. She's a big Knicks fan, and it represents the blue water surrounding New York and the immigrants coming in. And then on the back, she talked about how I forgot exactly what it's called, but it represents the different skin tones of people, which I thought was super dope. You know, what a great way to unite. I think the best thing about either, you know, being in New York or even being in Los Angeles is just the diversity of it all. Even in Miami, it's like a whole different culture there. You don't really get that. There's not that much diversity here in Colorado, so that's one thing that I do miss. I just love the concept. And then you have the longitude and latitude of New York. Overall, man, just such a crispy shoe, and I can't even believe people slept on these. I understand why. $200 price point, no hype there. You know, if you like it, you like it. But I even love this detail that it has along here. It's like, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Oh, these are fire, bro, honestly. This is a dope pickup. I didn't even notice you actually have the NYC embroidered on the back tab. Just, what a shoe, bro. What a shoe, especially for, oh, I'm about to be rocking these all spring and summer long. Like I said, as soon as I saw these, I love almost like a pastel, not necessarily pastel. Yeah, I would say more so pastel colorways. Oh, and another, before I put the shoe on, you got white laces. And she mentioned that when you put the shoes together, on the inside, there's a map that she actually hand drew. So I thought that was another super cool concept. What a dream come true, man, just to be able to create a Nike shoe. How amazing would that be? I think if I had an opportunity to do so, I would want to do a few different shoes. I want to do an Air Max 98. I'd want to do a Jordan 4, Jordan 1, and a Presto. Yeah, that's what I would like to do. Those would be definitely my top choice. I don't know exactly what I would do. You know, I definitely could get creative if I had the opportunity. It's one of those things where you may not feel like a creative person, but when you have the opportunity presented to you, it's amazing what you can do. Even as simple as like me creating clothes. Like, I can't say that I was the most creative person when it came to creating clothes, but when I had the proper sourcing and, you know, the right people to talk to, it really helps you be creative. So Nike, hit me up if you ever want to do a cool little collab. I think the family would buy. You know, I think we would do pretty solid, don't you guys think? What would you design? What shoe would you design if you had the opportunity to make a Nike? Let's just say Nike for now. Let me know down below in the comments. Right now I'm just trying these on. I definitely love that the laces are different colors. This is such a stupid cool. These are so nice. Chloe, what you think about these, girl? They look good too, huh? Oh Lord. Hey, Chloe, why didn't you tell me my ankles is ashy? We can't be on camera with no ashy ankles. Put some lotion on them things, girl. Sheesh. Clearly, you guys can see these look so sweet on feet. I don't know, man. I'm just a big fan. Chloe, you a big fan too? They pretty nice, huh, girl? Super clean color. Man, these are gonna look so great in the sun. Oh, these are definitely gonna be worn a lot. There you guys have it. I just wanted to give you a little bit of footwork and show you what they look like. Let me know what you think about the retail price sitting at $200. Yeah, I was just looking at the tag just to confirm I wasn't tripping. Yeah, let me know what you thought. I ended up paying a little over retail for them because I just wanted them. I actually wanted them early, but you know, sometimes you can't control. USPS playing me, bro. They playing me on these early reviews. I think I will do an early, maybe more so like an in-depth fit video on these. They are a little more on the girly, feminine side. I'll definitely say that, but I love it. I really love just the way they look. So clean. You guys can let me know what you think down below. Like I said, please sign up for that mailing list. That will get you discounts on merchandise for ASneakerLife, maybe even potential St. Michael drops, and it'll notify you on every single new video I drop. I'm gonna be mentioning this in every single video because I really want to build this mailing list, just to have my own data, and rather than relying on YouTube or Instagram, you know, we can always stay connected. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is your boy ASneakerLife. I will catch you guys in the next one. Run it. Hands in the air now.